Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 57. Mentally renouncing all actions in me, having me as the highest goal, resorting to the yoga of discrimination, ever fix your mind in me.
Chapter 18, Shloka 57. चेतसा सर्वकर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः बुद्धियोगम् उपाश्रित्य मच्चित्त सततं भव.
Chapter 18, Shloka 57. After explaining the total roadmap with the different stages of progress for different seekers of varying temperaments, Lord says that mentally resigning all deeds to Him, the seeker should act without ego and egocentric anxieties to enjoy. Only when a seeker has mustered the courage to maintain the aspiration for having me as the highest goal can he have the spirit of surrender and drop the present props. Thereafter, he should resort to Buddhi Yoga, as it is the intellect's main function to discriminate the false from the true and pursue the path of seeking the true, the path of selfless action. Finally, Lord says, ever fix your mind on me. He alone can come to fix his thoughts constantly upon the Lord, who has fixed the Krishna essence as the goal of his life, has surrendered to him, serves his creatures, and avoids all undivine thoughts and egocentric claims to come to experience the eternal, immutable state of the self. For it is the eternal law of life that as we think, so we become. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.